Not that long ago, you had to hire a full engineer, pay thousands of dollars just to get a dashboard with custom analytics and data that you wanted to display for your business or personal life. Fast forward now 3 or 4 months ago, Claude and all these tools, vibe coding, have made it so much easier. You just prompt what you want, grab an API, connect the tool, and you're good to go. Well, you still have to pay for tools, you still have to vibe code, you have to go back and forth. Well, Claude artifacts are now live, and this takes literally one prompt to set up. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. By the end of this video, you will understand how to build a live marketing dashboard to visualize your social media, your newsletter performance, your cold email performance, and it literally takes one single prompt and one connector. And the feature we're going to be using is called Claude Live Artifacts, which dropped not too long ago. And what most people are already getting wrong is this is not normal artifacts, which were already a thing in Claude. These are live artifacts from Claude. And if you don't understand the difference, you're going to see just how different they actually are and how this is going to change the game for you if you're trying to build dashboards and visualize data. I'm going to give you the exact 3-step process I use. What is a live artifact? How to build a marketing dashboard that updates on its own using a live artifact, and how you could utilize these live artifacts outside of just looking at them, because they actually have pretty cool use cases. Let's dive into it. All right, normal versus live artifact in Claude, what is the difference? It's actually a pretty big difference, and if you're building with the normal one, you're not going to get something that is lively and updating in real time. You're going to get something that is stale and doesn't work. So we have to understand what this is. And it's pretty simple, actually. An artifact is a real working thing. It's a piece of media, it's a script, it's a diagram, it's a presentation, but it's not updating. It's just there, right? It's in a panel on Claude. I'm sure you've seen it before. I'll dive into my Claude in a second. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about. For example, a normal artifact could be a photo of your bank account, but a live artifact is the actual banking app. It's updated in real time, it's lively, and there's many more use cases for it. So that is the difference between a live and normal artifact. Normal is just a screenshot. A live one is actually live. There's a lot of more things you could do with it. It's visual and it's much more useful. And this is mainly because one is connected to data. The live artifacts are. The normal one, they're stale. They're just there. They're frozen in time. And why this is amazing is because you no longer have to open a spreadsheet to log data every single Monday, have a VA do it. Everything is just live and updating. So you could have a live artifact dashboard for your social media, your newsletter, your cold email, all the things I'm going to show you right now for every single part of your business. Always updating, always live. So let's hop into building out this dashboard. First, we're going to want to connect to the data. This is super, super important. So depending on your use case, if you're doing emails, sales, website traffic, you're going to want to go to Claude and connect the proper connector. All right. And how to do that is super simple. Go to your Claude desktop app. You're going to go to customize. You're going to go to connectors, hit plus connectors, browse connectors, and just add whatever you need. There's so many options here. The classic ones are your Google, your Gmail, your G Suite, right? You have Figma, Slack, Canva, all these different things, Google Calendar. There's a bunch of cool things you could do here, right? There's everything you need. Connect this with Claude. That is your data layer. This is going to give the live artifact a live data layer to give to Claude. Claude visualizes it in a live artifact. That's really how it works. It's that simple. And now let's actually build this out. So feel free to steal this prompt. You could pause this and save this if you want to right now. You could simply copy this prompt. Go ahead and copy. Go over back to your Claude. I go to Claude Cowork, and you can paste this in. All right, now I'm going to show you mine, what that looks like. But first, I want you to go to artifacts, and you can see that these are my live artifacts because they're live. You can see them. These are my stale artifacts. So a stale artifact, again, this is like a YouTube script I use. I wrote using Claude, and it's just that. It's just a YouTube script. It's just there. All right. It's not very helpful. I made a long time ago. Whatever. Right. You can see this is an artifact, right? And if Claude ever does a split screen for you, it basically made an artifact and it stored it in this artifact section right here. Now these two are live artifacts, and I use these I built them in Cowork. So I'm gonna go back to Cowork. And again, you could copy and paste this prompt in here. Build me a live marketing dashboard. At the top, show the week's email newsletter subscribers, website visits, ad spend, and each have a big number with a percentage change, etc. All right. Now, again, if you want to build this, you make sure that all of the connectors are connected. You have to make sure that all the data is actually connected, because for it to visualize sales and ad spend, it's going to need access to that data. Now, if you hit enter on that, you're going to get something that looks just like this. I'll head back to my artifacts and go to my social media dashboard. And this is just tracking my social media. But again, you could do it for ad spend, cold emails, whatever. This is always live. Now it's a day behind, but it's live data. And you can see that this is all accurate. This is the amount of YouTube subscribers I have right now, Instagram, TikTok, etc. It gives me all my data, my views per day, my daily growth. I have AI actually summarize how everything is doing, and that gives me my top content as well. And all of this is just because I went to Claude and I said new task. I pasted in a prompt just like that. I hit enter, talk back and forth, and boom, it made me a live dashboard. It's taking the data you connected and building you a live artifact. That is it. I like to pin my live artifacts right here so I can always reference them. I also have a newsletter one, which you can see right here. So my newsletter growth, subscribers, open rates, etc. So I think it's pretty cool. Who's clicking on my call to actions? By the way, my entire newsletter scale, my AI does my entire newsletter. It's in our community down below if you want to check that out. But this is something that you could also build. Right? You just have to be creative with it. You could almost build anything as long as you have a data connected to it via Claude. And all you do is refine by talking. That's why I love it. Vibe coding, sometimes you have to redo the entire system prompt, open up another tab, lovable, replit, all these things. All you have to do in Claude is just redefine what you like. So once it gives you the actual UI of what you're looking at, so let's say look on my social media, if I don't like something, I could just say, hey, change this, change that, change this. I say it within the chat, it updates it live within the artifact, right? So the UI is to my pleasure. If you want my system prompts, which are the longer ones that I actually use to build out these dashboards, how I apply it to business, the connectors, the tools, check out our community down below. I have all of them in there ready to copy and paste so you could use them for your own business. All you have to do is connect your own live data and it'll display it for you. And it's really that easy to set up. You just describe what you want, connect the data appropriate, and Claude will handle the rest. And some things that you guys could actually go ahead about building are social media, like I showed you, newsletter, like I showed you. You could also build a CRM if you connect your CRM there. Now, don't build too much to the point where it doesn't make any sense, but if you want to visualize your data in a cool way, you could do it that way. Community, you could have a revenue dashboard, probably one of the easiest things. Where is your money coming from? How much are you spending every single month, etc. You should connect your Stripe to it. Cold DMs, cold email trackers, tasks. You can just track general tasks if you connect it to Asana, Notion, ClickUp. And you can also track your goals if you store your goals somewhere in Notion, etc. So you can see the progress you're making and it updates live every single day as long as that data source is connected. So that is how to build a live Claude artifact, a marketing dashboard for social media and for a newsletter. It's super simple. You're only limited here by your creativity and what you can connect to Claude. Fortunately enough for us, we could connect almost anything to Claude. So go ahead and build. If you learned something, make sure to drop a subscribe. All of my templates, resources, everything will be down below, both paid and free. Go ahead, check those out. If you have value from this video, you're going to love this video next, and I'll see you there. Talk soon.